Man, I'm too cool and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, man, gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show. Man, I'm too cool and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, man, gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show.
Man, I'm the young nigga that rhymes so tight. Yeah, I do so good. I don't know how you feel about it. Don't care how you do about it. Time you gotta switch. Your girls be coming around saying your mind is really distorted. Boy, you gotta do something about it. So I'm catching all of that body. Talk about shit that lottie. I'm too good, she know that. I'm all up under that party. Popping bottles like it's just Tuesday, but it feels like it's just Friday. I do fresh, I feel fresh. I do it like I'm so good.
Man, I'm too good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show. Man, I'm too good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show.
What's up, niggas? I'm Kevmase. I come from Zen's, love real mess. Got a funky face, love face. With a lot of cash, never gonna kiss. These niggas know that I'm hard again. Nobody give a charge who's come from Zen. Wonder where Chris Bond does a come to Zen. Only just scream and piss in the magazine. We burn the block, hip hop is in. Popping up all those hip hop is in. No party checking up on music, right? Wonder why it's just changes, play our songs. We chill good, we saw who. Only one gets channel, it's all pro. Just Africa, we African. One time for the world, we
Man, I'm
African.
too cool and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show. Man, I'm too cool and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show.
Yeah.